As a teachers, we know that our job is a continuous learning process and our objective is to focus our effort on what our students need. Nowadays, in a globalized world like ours, teachers have the chance to know better what they're learning, how we're teaching, and how are working in schools from other parts of Europe. We saw the main difference between both education systems. We talked to managers and we visited their companies to explore how are they implementing the process and how we can improve. We also had a great chance to talk to BED students and chat about what they think about the system. Of course, there's also time to explore the city, being one tourist more, having fun and enjoying its place, its gastronomy and its culture.